Imagine stepping into the shower after a grueling, exhausting day, only to have your handheld shower head suddenly slip from its mount, crashing down and spraying water wildly across the entire bathroom. Finding a reliable shower head holder that actually stays securely attached to the wall without drilling holes feels like navigating an endless sea of flimsy plastic gadgets that fail within weeks. Today, we are testing and reviewing 5 top-tier shower head holders to help you discover the ultimate secure, slip-free upgrade for your daily routine. 5. PROZADAHAO Adjustable Suction Cup Bracket Shower Head Holder. Throughout our intensive hands-on evaluation in a moisture-heavy home bathroom setting, this bracket aimed to deliver flexible handheld placement without requiring messy glue or permanent tile drilling. The inclusion of a ratchet-style angle adjuster and a rotating cradle offers a modern aesthetic layout designed to catch the eye of renters and quick-fix shoppers looking for an all-inclusive bathroom accessory right out of the box. However, true to our rigorous testing standards, a few notable drawbacks quickly became apparent with daily, extended use in a wet environment. The rubber suction mechanism tends to lose its grip over time when exposed to recurring steam and temperature shifts, occasionally causing the entire bracket to slide down the tile wall or detach completely when a heavy metal hose is clicked into place. Furthermore, the plastic tightening collar feels a bit brittle and prone to stripping if you attempt to lock down your preferred shower angle too tightly, which can lead to a drooping wand mid-shower. Despite these performance compromises and material limitations, the holder remains an accessible entry-level option for temporary setups where permanent hardware installations are not permitted by landlords. The chrome-plated finish matches standard bathroom fixtures reasonably well, and the lightweight design keeps the profile minimal against your shower wall. If your budget is strictly constrained and you need a basic adjustable mount without spending a fortune or picking up a drill, it accomplishes the baseline tasks reasonably well. Ultimately, while the PROZADAHAO suction bracket brings plenty of modular convenience to the table, it requires realistic expectations regarding long-term suction retention and consistent load-bearing strength. 4. KES All-Metal Shower Arm Mount. During our hands-on evaluation, the professional industrial build aesthetic immediately elevated the tactile feel of the shower enclosure, offering solid framing and heavy-duty threading design to handle various daily height and angle adjustments. The sheer sturdiness of the metal pivot joint proved useful for locking down the shower wand securely without any plastic flex or wobbling during use. Yet, being critical as we put this model through its paces, we noticed a few friction points that potential buyers dealing with standard shower setups should keep in mind. Because this unit mounts directly onto the shower arm rather than adhering to the wall surface, it forces your handheld shower head to sit much higher up, which can be awkward or out of reach for shorter family members or children. Additionally, the internal angle adjustment mechanism can feel excessively stiff and stubborn, requiring considerable physical force to tilt downward, which inadvertently puts unwanted leverage stress on your existing plumbing pipe if not handled carefully. On the positive side of the ledger, the overall frame durability is remarkably solid, featuring corrosion-resistant metal components that inspire confidence during long-term moisture exposure. The universal sizing accommodates a wide variety of standard handheld wands and flexible hoses without compatibility issues. It bridges the gap between basic plastic holders and permanent plumbing upgrades quite effectively, providing a sturdy anchor for daily shower routines. Balancing its premium metal build with a fixed mounting height and stiff tilt controls gives us a nuanced view of the KES all-metal shower arm mount. 3. Moen Eco-Performance Handheld Shower Bracket. Testing the Moen extensively in a high-demand, multi-user household setting revealed an extraordinary level of tailored stability and structural integrity, which is largely driven by its robust metallic internal anchoring system and high-grade, corrosion-resistant exterior finish. This innovative mounting design provides a secure, wobble-free docking station that expertly grips your handheld shower wand, completely preventing any unwanted spinning, twisting, or slipping even when high-pressure water streams are running at full blast. The high-grade engineering materials gracefully envelop the pivoting cradle in a smooth, frictionless embrace that makes adjusting your spray direction completely effortless from the very first moment you step into the shower. The thoughtful, ergonomic cradle construction distributes weight evenly across the entire mounting bracket, actively preventing stress fractures on the wall and eliminating potential water leakage behind the wall plate over years of continuous use. Whether you're aiming the water stream steeply downward for a fast morning rinse or tilting it outward for a relaxing, luxurious spray session, the smooth adjustment mechanism adapts intuitively to your touch without requiring brute force. Furthermore, maintenance is delightfully straightforward and hassle-free thanks to an advanced spot-resist finish that expertly guards against unsightly water spots, soap scum, and mineral buildup. The meticulous craftsmanship directly reflects decades of trusted plumbing expertise from a world-renowned brand, backed securely by a solid manufacturer warranty that inspires total confidence. The Moen Eco-Performance Bracket represents a massive leap forward in everyday bathroom reliability, offering heavy-duty structural support disguised as a sleek, timeless design accessory. 2. BOPai Vacuum Suction Shower Head Holder. During our rigorous, multi-week testing period in a high-moisture tiled shower, this remarkable holder consistently impressed our entire evaluation team with its patented mechanical vacuum locking system, which completely eliminates the frustrating peeling and dropping typical of traditional cheap suction cups. The advanced engineering creates an airtight seal that responds naturally to a simple twisting motion, providing a lockdown, weightless hold that easily supports heavy metal shower wands during prolonged daily use. The high-performance engineering plastic and polished chrome finish provide an incredible strength-to-aesthetics ratio, securely cradling the shower wand without ever slipping down the tile surface or scratching delicate glass walls. The fully adjustable ratchet cradle moves smoothly through multiple downward angles to accommodate different household members, while the waterproof sealing ring ensures complete muscle relaxation during your shower without worrying about sudden hardware failures. Furthermore, the reusable, repositionable design means you can easily move the holder to a different height or wall location whenever your family's needs change. Moreover, the responsive twist lock mechanism operates with absolute reliability, allowing you to mount or remount the unit in seconds without any manual tools, drilling, or heavy hardware twisting. Installation is remarkably user-friendly and intuitive out of the box, and the holder's lightweight yet sturdy frame makes it a bulletproof addition to any rental apartment or modern bathroom. Its versatile, polished appearance allows it to fit harmoniously into contemporary glass enclosures and classic tiled stalls alike. The BOPai holder punches well above standard suction categories, delivering luxury-level holding power and dependable daily convenience without permanent wall modifications. 1. HammerHead Shower's solid metal adjustable handheld shower wand bracket. Testing this masterpiece is a genuinely impressive experience. Every single element, from the 100% solid brass construction and metal ball joint to the commercial-grade threading and scratch-resistant finish, screams absolute quality and professional artistry. The bracket is engineered to lock your handheld shower wand securely in place, while supporting high water flow rates and heavy custom shower heads, offering an unmatched sanctuary of reliability for anyone tired of flimsy plastic holders breaking under pressure. The precision-machined pivot joint paired with a secure wall-mounting flange creates an indescribably stable setup that resists sagging, loosening, or cracking over years of intensive daily use. The intuitive tightening collar allows you to adjust the spray angle precisely to your liking, offering a responsive positioning experience that stays firmly locked in place wash after wash. Owning a HammerHead bracket isn't just about having a place to dock your shower wand. It is about housing a genuine piece of commercial-grade plumbing hardware that elevates the entire structural integrity and aesthetic of your bathroom enclosure. The structural integrity of the solid metal frame ensures this bathroom piece easily lasts for decades, backed by rigorous manufacturing standards and corrosion resistance. The sleek finish catches the light beautifully against tile or stone, creating a clean, sophisticated focal point in any shower stall. Maintenance is surprisingly simple, and the enduring design guarantees it will never crack, fade, or lose its holding power over time. The HammerHead shower's solid metal bracket represents the absolute peak of modern luxury, craftsmanship, and dependable bathroom hardware available on the market today. While it commands an exceptional value proposition, the unmatched stability, solid brass construction, and lifetime durability make it worth every single penny for homeowners who refuse to compromise on quality or performance.